Family outings become easier when comfort, safety, and convenience come together in one smart design. The best stroller for toddler options offers smooth handling, secure seating, compact folding, and everyday practicality for busy parents who want stress-free travel, shopping trips, park walks, and reliable performance from morning routines to weekend adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Kolcraft Lightweight Toddler Stroller. The Kolcraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Umbrella Stroller is designed for parents who want a lightweight stroller that handles daily errands and travel without becoming difficult to manage. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its compact umbrella-style frame, which makes it easy to fold, carry, and store in smaller car trunks or closets. Even though it is lightweight, the stroller still feels stable during walks and handles sidewalks, shopping centers, and airports comfortably. Parents who frequently travel during summer vacations or weekend trips will appreciate how quickly the stroller folds and how little space it occupies once collapsed. Comfort is another strong point of this stroller. The reclining seat allows toddlers to relax during longer outings, while the extended canopy provides decent shade protection on sunny days. The seat padding is simple yet supportive enough for everyday use. The large storage basket underneath is especially practical for carrying diaper bags, snacks, toys, or shopping bags without overcrowding the handle area. Kolcraft also includes both parent and child trays, which adds convenience for drinks, snacks, and small essentials. The child tray can help keep toddlers entertained during walks, while the parent tray gives quick access to phones, keys, or coffee cups. Number 2. UPPAbaby Minu Toddler Stroller. The UPPAbaby Minu V3 travel stroller delivers a premium travel-friendly design that combines portability with upscale construction. This stroller stands out immediately because of its refined materials, smooth handling, and compact fold system. Parents who travel frequently or need a stroller for city use will appreciate the one-hand fold and unfold mechanism, which feels quick and intuitive during busy situations. Once folded, the stroller becomes compact enough for easier transportation and overhead compatibility on many flights, making it highly practical for airport travel. One of the strongest features of the Minu V3 is its comfort-focused design. The seat provides generous support for toddlers while maintaining a lightweight frame overall. The suspension system improves ride quality significantly, especially on uneven sidewalks or rougher pavement. Compared to many lightweight strollers, the Minu feels more stable and controlled while pushing, which gives it a more premium everyday experience. The canopy provides excellent coverage, helping protect children from harsh sunlight during outdoor walks or vacations. Storage is thoughtfully designed with an accessible basket underneath that accommodates essentials like diaper bags, jackets, and snacks. Number 3. Summer Compact Toddler Stroller. The Ingenuity 3D Quick Close CS Plus Compact Fold Stroller offers a practical combination of lightweight portability and family-friendly convenience. This stroller is especially appealing for parents who need something compact enough for daily errands, yet comfortable enough for longer outings. Its standout feature is the Quick Close folding system, which simplifies storage and transportation. Folding the stroller takes minimal effort, making it useful when handling groceries, diaper bags, and active toddlers at the same time. The lightweight frame makes pushing and maneuvering very manageable in busy environments like shopping malls, parks, airports, and sidewalks. Despite its compact structure, the stroller maintains a sturdy feel during use. Parents often appreciate how easily it fits into smaller vehicle trunks without sacrificing basic comfort features. The oversized canopy provides generous shade coverage during natural walks and warm weather travel. Combined with the reclining seat, the stroller creates a comfortable environment for naps and relaxed rides throughout the day. Storage capacity is another area where the stroller performs well. The extra-large storage basket underneath provides enough room for everyday essentials, including diaper bags, bottles, blankets, and shopping items. Number 4. Mompush Whiz Toddler Stroller. The Mompush Whiz 2-in-1 baby stroller combines versatility and modern styling in a stroller built to adapt from newborn stages into toddler years. One of its most attractive features is the 2-in-1 Pramette design, which allows parents to switch between bassinet-style comfort and an upright toddler seat. This flexibility gives the stroller long-term usability while helping parents avoid purchasing multiple systems during early childhood stages. The reversible seat design adds another layer of convenience because parents can position children facing inward or outward depending on comfort and developmental needs. Younger babies may benefit from parent-facing interaction, while toddlers often enjoy facing forward to explore surroundings during walks. The transition between seating positions feels smooth and user-friendly, making everyday adjustments easier. Comfort is clearly a priority in this stroller's design. The seat padding feels supportive, and the large UPF 50+ canopy provides excellent sun protection during outdoor activities. Whether walking through parks, shopping districts, or neighborhood sidewalks, the stroller creates a cozy riding experience for children. The suspension system helps absorb minor bumps, contributing to smoother rides across uneven surfaces. Number 5. Mompush Lithe Toddler Stroller. The Mompush Lithe V2 lightweight travel stroller is designed specifically for families who prioritize portability, compact storage, and travel convenience. One of the first things parents notice is how lightweight and manageable the stroller feels while still maintaining a durable structure. The compact fold makes it especially practical for air travel, public transportation, and quick everyday errands where bulky strollers become inconvenient. The one-hand fold mechanism works efficiently and helps simplify transitions during busy moments. Whether loading a car trunk, boarding transportation, or navigating airports, the stroller folds quickly without requiring complicated adjustments. The included travel bag further improves portability by making transportation and storage more organized during trips. Parents who frequently travel with toddlers will likely appreciate how compact the stroller becomes once folded. Comfort features are also thoughtfully included despite the lightweight design. The mechanical recline seat allows toddlers to relax during longer outings or naps, while the UPF 50 canopy helps protect against harsh sunlight. The stroller includes a rain cover as well, which adds practical value for changing weather conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.